This is the Core SWX Cube 200. It is an AC to DC 200-watt industrial power supply. It has two 4-pin XLR male outputs, and you can see the UPC code there. Looks like it's manufactured in New York, USA. Nothing else on the outside of the box, so let's go ahead and open this up. Right. So let's go ahead and pull the power cable out. It is it's like a standard power cable for there. Then here is the Cube 200. There's the front of it. And you can see the 4-pin XLR outputs. These push latches. It says the DC output has a maximum of 200 watts at 14.3 volts right there. Looks like there's some holes for venting there, some venting holes on the side and the top. Looks like there could be some sort of mounting holes here at the top for something. They don't look like quarter 20s or anything, and it's not that thick. On the back, you can see the Cube 200 model number supports 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, and outputs 14.3 volts, 200 watts. Here's the power switch. It's recessed so you don't accidentally flip it on or off. And it looks like there is a fuse in here. So if you ever do need to replace the fuse, you can access it in there. It says use only with a 250 volt fuse. There are some rubber feet here that look like they are just glued on with some adhesive. And that's all there is to it. That is the Cube 200.